Hi thieves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mayama. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. For those who are always supporting me, asanteni sana, supporting you are trying to show them. Okay, so in today's video, guys, as you all know, when is today? Today is 18th.
Yeah, today is 18th.
Yes, today is 18th, and it's National Day here in Qatar. And Qatar, how much did they pay to use this?
No, this one for the workers.
Huh?
For workers.
Oh, so today is National Day. So before we came here, Boateng today said that, let me give you your flowers when you're still alive. Boateng decided to take me out. We've had our dinner, and thank you so much. Keep doing that. Like if you do like that, like 3 times a week, I don't have problem. And you know, blessings, you know, once
No problem.
once I release blessings for you, they will come in plenty. So thank you so much, Boateng. So by the way, where are we?
Here is Cornish.
This is Corniche,
Yeah.
one of the beautiful places in Qatar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a tourist attraction place.
Yeah. This
Can't
place is
decide.
called this place is Old Port, Old Harbor, yeah. Old Port.
Old Port.
Yeah.
So Corniche.
Same.
Okay. Corniche, but Old Port.
Old Port, yeah.
Yeah, so we are here to do some leisure. We're having some leisure together, and so my point is the reason as to why we are shooting this video. First, this is my gift from this is my Christmas gift. Show them. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. This is my handbag from one of my best, and then this is from Boateng necklace for Christmas. I've already started receiving Christmas gifts, so you can continue sending me more gifts. So to cut the long story short, by the way, so the reason why we've decided to shoot this like a small video is to tell you about National Day. This is always done yearly 18th, right?
Yeah.
It's guaranteed 18th. Every 18th December. So most of the workers are given their day. Like this day is a national day, so no going to work. So how to spend it? So Boateng, how can you advise them? Like how are they supposed to spend it? One,
This is a holiday. You have to take your family out and
then make sure that your mental health is taken good care of, because you know you work from work, you sleep like that, you don't have that time to go out. So like having given an opportunity like this, you need to
rest. But not rest in peace.
But not rest.
Not to rest in peace.
Not rest in peace. And it's not even expensive. You can, these are moments that are created and they are very priceless, because there is no any other 18th in the year 2023.
Yeah.
Like, if God gives us that
Like
chance,
18th December.
it will be 2024.
Yeah.
So make use of the holidays. Is it holiday?
Yeah, it's holiday.
Yeah.
Today is holiday. Yeah.
Make use of your holidays. Like use them in a good way. Let them be of benefit to your health, because what do I mean? Not going to hospital. Make sure that you are doing something that is trying to make your mental health be okay. You know, most of us we work on our spiritual health, our physical health, but we forget about our mental health. So for example, today once I'm here, I feel like everything has been freshened up. I feel so fresh. I feel like, oh my goodness, tomorrow when I go to work, I'll be extremely fresh. So what do you have to say
Do
about
it fast.
Huh? Or what do you have to say?
I'm okay. I'm done. It's okay.
What have you said? You're done.
It's done.
Okay, that is it, guys. So happy National Day.
Yeah,
for our
happy
Qatar.
and Merry Christmas
Merry
to
Christmas
everyone.
and
Yeah.
Happy New Year. Love you all.
Okay.
Keep supporting us.